much of a full meal. See, this is why I'm so bad at decisions. Oh my god, so awkward. I got all that stuff. This wolf will help me survive. Ooh, first step. Let's see if I kill him. Really important. Okay, so I want the yellow one to be the girl. And the red one could be the boy. Need some. Oh wait, no, I need to plant those. And I need some black dye. It'll be like a bee. I don't know. Oh, this is the swamp. Where am I? Oh my god. There's mushrooms? Oh, there's some blue dye, so I could dye color blue. I only have one main pet. I don't need torches. Okay, where's the other one? Come here. Oh no, he's shaking. Why won't he teleport? Oh, there we go. Come here. Cute. Okay. E. And you guys could decide. Take some more team. Like that. Where am I? I'm spoiling. I'm hungry and I only have 4. Why do I have to do this when it's hard to Come on, guys. My friend has a dog named the mini golden receiver. Forgot that's like car, but I'm close, huh? Oh my god, Enderman. Actually will beat it up to me. Where is my home? Oh my god, don't fall there. And lost, I should put the coordinates and stuff now. Oh wait, I have a lot of carrots. What am I doing? Didn't pack up these guys are hungry. No, I didn't confuse you. I'm sorry. No, wait, come here. Oh god. I want them to make a baby if I feed both of them at the same time. No. Where am I? I need to sleep. There's so much mobs. Come here. Come on, run. Right, yes. I gotta pause this. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, forgot to unpause the thing. It's taking like 10 minutes to get back here anyway. So they found him. I need to sleep, but I can't. I don't want to attack anyone because they'll just to fight. Because one of them's injured and I don't want them to die. So I need to sleep before I end this episode. Or end this recording at least. I'm not sure. And get next is B for the outro. When I did the outro for the oh my god, when I did the outro for the first video, I spawned in the B and I went in the camera. So I'm just this might be cheating, quote quote, but I'm not going to actually get something. That would be ridiculous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you want. I don't really care about that. You can comment down below what I should name this dog. The one in blue. And I'll see you guys later. My little bee nation. Goodbye.